English Speaking Practice for Beginners EP.01. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? What's your name? My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Thailand. Hello, my name is John. What's your name? I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. What does your father do? He's a teacher. Excuse me, where is the nearest bank? It's on Main Street, next to the supermarket. How can I get to the train station? Go straight and turn left at the traffic lights. How much is this dress? It's $50. Can I try this on? Sure, the fitting room is over there. Can I see the menu, please? Of course. Here you go. I'd like to order a salad, please. Sure. Anything else? What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books and painting. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Excuse me, what time is it? It's 3:30 p.m. Is the library open now? Yes, it closes at 6 p.m. It's so hot today. Yes, summer is here. Do you think it will rain tomorrow? I don't think so. The weather looks clear. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I am. Why? Let's go to the park. Sounds good. What time? What do you do for a living? I'm a nurse. Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy helping people. Are you learning English? Yes, I am. How do you practice? I watch movies and talk to friends. I'm sorry for being late. It's okay. Excuse me, I didn't mean to bump into you. No problem. I love your dress. Thank you. You did a great job on the presentation. Thanks. I worked hard on it. What are you reading? It's a mystery novel. Can I join you for coffee? Of course. Where are you traveling to? I'm going to Japan. How long will you stay there? About 1 week. I'd like to book a room, please. Sure. For how many nights? Do you have free Wi-Fi here? Yes, we do. Does this bus go to the airport? Yes, it does. How much is the ticket? It's $2.50. Hello, may I speak to Mr. Smith? Sure. Hold on, please. Can I leave a message? Of course. What would you like me to tell him? What's your favorite hobby? I enjoy cooking. Do you like playing games? Yes, I love it. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. Do you go to the gym? Yes, 3 times a week. What exercises do you do? I run on the treadmill and lift weights. What are your plans for the weekend? I'm going to visit my grandparents. Are you doing anything special for your holiday? Yes, I'm going to the beach. What's your favorite subject? I like science. Who is your teacher? Mrs. Brown is my teacher. What kind of movies do you like? I like action movies. Have you seen any good movies recently? Yes, I watched a great one last week.